Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. I'm great. I hope you guys are well too. Okay. So, without wasting further time, we'll begin with today's lecture. But before we begin with something, there's something very interesting that I want to talk to you about. Okay. Okay. I don't want to listen to what your portion is and what your exams are right now. Let me discuss with something that is really very interesting. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, uh, do you know what superstitions are? Have you heard about any superstitions? Please tell me some of the most crazy and absurd superstitions that you have heard of. या तो हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं अंधविश्वास या अंधश्रद्धा. या and oh my god, every time I ask and I begin with the question about the superstitions, the first one that comes is this black cat crossing the path and we have to stop. Okay, guys, do one thing, kindly message me in the account of Rajvi Thakkar. All right. Yeah. So the black cat specifically cuts your road and then you can't move ahead. So Kali Bili ne rasta kaata nimbu mirchi. Okay. So that are supposedly to keep the bad energy away. Cutting nails at night. Bhoot ko jadoo se bhaga. Whatever. Okay. Cutting nails. Okay. If someone sneezes, you should not go out. Not wearing certain types of clothes. Yeah, I've heard a lot of people and a lot of communities, they still don't wear black clothes. So absurd, correct? Yeah. While going out of the house, if a person sneezes, then the other person must not go out, correct? Not to eat before a solar eclipse. Yes, I've heard about that. थर्सडे को हेयर वॉश नहीं करने का, ट्यूसडे को नॉनवेज नहीं खाने का, a lot, करेक्ट? To marry a tree, nice, good. Okay, to not keep the footwear upside down, very good. To not go out during solar eclipse. So the list is on and on and on, correct? Okay. There are so many of them, and there's no end actually to this. Don't buy new steel items on Saturday. Don't comb your hair in the evening. A crow cawing indicates that the guests are arriving. Do not comb your hair in the evening. Okay. Now wait. Stop with all of these. Stop. Okay. So, do you guys now believe in such superstitions? Not at all, really. Ask yourself this question. It is very important for today's lecture. Answer it very honestly. No, never. Acha, there are some yes miss wale. Okay, fine. Okay, whoever has said yes or sometimes yes and depends and all of these, can you explain something? What's the reason behind it? Because the name suggests andhashraddha, blind faith, andhavishwas. So, okay, do you have any reason behind you believing in it, or just because your family does and that is the ritual that has been going on since years now, so it is imbibed in you? Okay, sometimes because your family believes it, because it's beneficial for us, I'm really doubtful about that. Okay, no, not really. Not all the things that you that we discussed right now are beneficial, correct? Okay. 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 Frankly, if we understand, stop messaging. Yeah. Okay. Now listen to this very properly. Frankly, all the messages I'm reading, that okay, some of you believe because one, because of your family, or because you yourself are scared if something might go wrong because of this. Okay, one thing, let's be very clear, one thing, all of these superstitions, they had some sense when they were created, but right now, we are living in an age where we really need to introspect whether these beliefs are really of use to us or not. Correct? Now let us discuss one, the most famous one, the Kali Billi ne Rasta Kata. Correct? There's a very small story behind it, and I really want to tell it to you guys. Okay. Okay. We lived in an age where there was no electricity at all. नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट ऑल, ओके। जब ये लैंटर्न्स भी नहीं आए थे तब की बात कर रही हूँ, ओके। तो तब लोग फायर लेके या कुछ ये लेके घूमते थे, सो दैट लाइट, for light they used fire basically, okay। Now the story goes like, once upon a time there was a very very old man, most probably with a heart condition, okay, and he was venturing alone in night because he had some work to do. He had a small fire, a diya sort of thing, but it was not, uh, you know, bright enough. All right. So he was walking. It was pitch black dark. Understand this. It was pitch black dark. Okay. He was walking, and suddenly he saw a pair of eyes glowing in the dark. He got so scared of it that he almost had a heart attack and he passed away. Correct? At the sight of this, at the sight of this, what do we say? A murder? A black cat was found. Because the man couldn't see the black cat in pitch black darkness, it is said that जब भी काली बिल्ली रास्ता काटती है तभी कुछ ना कुछ बुरा होता है। तो ये जो स्टोरी है वो शायद वहां से ओरिजिनेट हुई है। Right now, are our roads, are our houses illuminated enough for us to see everything that is around us? Yes, yes, correct. Do we still need the same superstition, the same belief? Now, the same goes, the same logic applies for not cutting nail at night, not handing over the knives to each other, वरना झगड़ा होता है। करेक्ट, ये सारे क्यों हुए थे उस जमाने में? क्योंकि तब तब के जमाने में वो रेलिवेंट थे। करेक्ट, इट वाज, yeah, there was no electricity, all of these things were relevant, people must have gotten hurt so many times due to handing over the knives to each other। तो ये जो लॉजिक बनाया था तब के जमाने में वो लॉजिक था, अभी वो अंधविश्वास बन गया है। वेरी क्लियर विथ इट? ओके, so you must all have guessed that today we are going to begin with the most interesting chapter of your textbook, that is yeah, 4.3, intellectual rubbish. Okay, who is this? My god, we are done with Tansen. Hello, are you awake? Tansen is done. Okay, yeah, so it's intellectual rubbish. Now let's focus on the heading, the topic, the name of the topic. Intellectual rubbish. The rubbish, the garbage, the trash that people still believe in today's generation. The so called intelligent people, the so called, you know, the most intelligent creatures on the entire planet believes in the most rubbish of things. All right. Yeah. So see, frankly, to tell you, somewhere we all have believed or we still believe in some superstitions. Okay. Now, we are not only going to talk about superstitions today, but a lot of rubbish that we think about. That's not only superstition, okay? We are going to cover a wide range of topics. Okay. Now, all those of you who do not have this chapter in your examination, I want you to sit through this lecture. Believe me, it's one of the most fabulous chapters that you will come across. One thing, another thing, you will get to learn a lot from yourself. Suno, bahut maza aayega. One. To be frank, this chapter is the most difficult one if you combine your ninth and 10th standard textbook. Believe me, it is. Okay, 10th standard में भी इतना difficult chapter मेरे हिसाब से नहीं है. Now this chapter is actually an essay that is written by Bertrand Russell. Okay, तो ये राइटर ने एक ऐसे लिखा है कि लोग कितने पागल हो सकते हैं. ये जो होमोसेपियन सेपियन है, जो सबसे इंटेलिजेंट है, सबसे इतने आगे बढ़े हुए, द कॉम्प्लेक्स क्रिएचर कैन स्टिल be so stupid, plain stupid. Okay, so yeah, yes, it is 4.5 pages essay. Okay, now very quickly open your textbook. I'll share my screen very quickly. Kindly message me in the account of Rajvi Thakkar now. Okay. Yeah. 4.3 intellectual rubbish. Open your page number 94. Yes. Okay. Now I've made some additions here. If you can see my screen, it is to make this chapter a little bit easy for you. Okay. Let's start reading this. Okay. Before this, let's read it. How will you react in the following situations? On page number 93, I'm just going to read out the questions to you. Okay. Your science teacher tells you plants exposed to sunlight grow faster than those always in the shade. Next, your aunt tells you not to go for a job interview because it's a no moon day that very same day. Next, your friend argues with you that Mount Everest is not the tallest peak in the world. Next, a stranger at the door claims to be a magician and promises your mother to turn all her silver jewelry into gold. All right. Yeah. So we all know which one is believable and which others are not. If you really want to believe in these or not. Correct? Okay. Let's begin. Intellectual rubbish. Yes. So somebody correctly pointed it out. The name of the chapter, intellectual rubbish, is nothing but an oxymoron. Okay. Contrasting words that really go together is called oxymoron. Okay. Yeah. Let's begin reading this. To avoid the various foolish opinions to which mankind are prone, no superhuman genius is required. Okay. If you want to avoid certain foolish opinion of yours, okay, कभी कभी हो सकता है कि आप थोड़ा foolish way में सोच रहे हो या you believe in something and yet you know that these are not the things that you want to believe in. The simplest of things, all right. As somebody said that I'm scared to believe otherwise, or because my family believes so I have to do it. See, I also have been a victim of the same. My family still believes in something, and you got to follow it, but really ask yourself if you're ready to do it or not. So to avoid the various foolish opinions, बहुत सारे जो foolish opinions होते हैं इधर उधर से, to avoid them, okay, to which mankind are prone. Mankind, the entire human race is very easily, okay, they very easily believe in some very foolish trash opinions. So if you don't want to be one of them, अगर आपको ऐसा कोई भी foolish opinion में नहीं believe करना है, तो आपको कोई बहुत इंटेलिजेंट, बहुत ही सुपर ह्यूमन जीनियस नहीं बनना चाहिए, मतलब बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. You are a common man with a common IQ, and still you can avoid all these stupid opinions. Okay, so you don't need to be some very intelligent or high IQ person, basically. Now, there are a few simple rules that will keep you not from all error, but from silly error. अभी थोड़े rules उन्होंने दिए हैं. हाँ, ये rules क्या करेंगे? ये रूल्स क्या करेंगे? आपको सारे एरर्स, सारे मिस्टेक से तो नहीं बचाएंगे, बट जो सबसे स्टूपिड मिस्टेक्स है, स्टूपिड एरर्स है, ओके, सिली एरर्स है, उनसे आपको बचाएंगे. वेरी क्लियर विद दिस? yes or no? So now we are going to see some very simple rules that we all can do. Okay, all error, basically all is it, yeah, it is in italics because all error to kabhi bhi. Is it possible for a human to not ever make any error? Is it possible? No, it is never ever possible, correct? Yeah, and that's the reason that we needed to at least make ourselves aware that we should not make the most silly of the errors, correct? Prone means likely. Okay, we are likely to do those errors. Very clear with this? Yeah. Now, which are these few simple rules? Now, first of all, जो सबसे easiest rule है, वो rule है observation का. बहुत सारी बार हम लोग सिर्फ ऑब्जर्व करके ये जो हमारा बिलीफ है, जो इनकरेक्ट बिलीफ है, उसको निकाल सकते हैं. Now it's really very easy by simply observing. If you observe a black cat crossing your path, guys, please do see where it is going. वो ऐसे ही टहल रही होगी, वो खाना खाने जा रही होगी, उसको आपसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. You have to understand that in her own world, in the world of that cat, she doesn't care about you. Okay, so it doesn't, your worlds are not inclined, frankly, correct? So if you really observe what is going around you, you can avoid all those errors. Okay, if you really observe, if there is enough light at your place, if there is enough brightness at your place, and if you're cutting nails and not getting hurt, whether it be daylight or the night time, now it doesn't matter. ठीक है कि आप कभी नेल्स कट करते हो. सेम फॉर एवरीथिंग एल्स. इज दिस वेरी क्लियर टू यू? या, okay. If the matter is one that can be settled by observation, make the observation yourself. तो पहला रूल क्या है? Few simple rules हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. The first rule is that you have to observe. अगर थोड़ा सिंपलर मैटर है, इतना कुछ बहुत ही दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. If the matter is very simple, if the topic is very simple, you can observe, and by observation you can make changes accordingly. Okay, now there is a very interesting incident that is penned down. Okay, Aristotle. Have you heard of Aristotle? Yes. Come on, very quickly tell me who was he? Very good. He was a philosopher. Okay. He was a lot of things, frankly. Okay. He was a philosopher. He was a mathematician. He was a basically a very, very, very brilliant personality. Okay. Yeah. Greek philosopher. करेक्ट थिंकर थे और उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीजें की है ओके या मैथमेटिशियन टू ओके नाउ लिसन टू दिस Aristotle, a great man of his time, okay, he believed that, just listen to this and it is true, huh? He believed that women had fewer teeth than men. He genuinely and actually believed that. Okay, please, now I don't want any other superstitions of these uh examples of the superstitions. I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah, come on, tell me. Can you imagine Aristotle, a great mathematician, philosopher, okay, he believed that women had fewer teeth than men. तो ये एसेइस्ट क्या बोलते हैं अपन को कि अरे भाई देख लो ना, ये तो बहुत सिंपल चीज थी, अगर आप देख के कोई मैटर को सॉल्व कर सकते हो देन प्लीज डू दैट, डू नॉट बिलीव इन फूलिश आइडियाज. ऑलराइट, ओके, सो वो बोलते हैं कि अरे मिसेस एरिस्टोटल, उनकी बीवी को सिर्फ मुंह खोल के उनके दांत गिने होते तो भी उनको पता चल जाता, इसमें कुछ रॉकेट साइंस तो था नहीं. सो वी ऑल्सो कैन eliminate a lot of foolish beliefs and errors from our life if we simply observe what is going around. Very clear with this? Let us read this part. Okay, Aristotle could have avoided the mistake of thinking that women have fewer teeth than men by the simple device of asking Mrs. Aristotle to keep her mouth open while he counted. Is this very, very clear to you? तो ये बोलते हैं कि अरे सिर्फ एक सिंपल प्लान चाहिए था कि मिसेस एरिस्टोटल उनकी बीवी को बोले कि भाई तू अपना मुंह खुला कर एंड आई एम काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ टीथ यू हैव. It was as simple as this. Okay, he did not do so because he thought he knew. The most important line. Okay, उन्होंने क्यों नहीं काउंट किया? काउंट करना तो बहुत इजी था. Why did he not count? He did not count because he thought that he knew. उनको लगा था अरे मेरे को पता है ऐसा ही होता है, पहले से यही सुना है या यही बिलीव किया है. तो ये बिलीव वो चेंज नहीं कर पाए, even though it was so simple, damn simple. Okay, but he couldn't do it. Why? Because उनको लगता था कि उनको मालूम है. So thinking that you know, okay, thinking that you sorry thinking that you know when in fact you don't is a fatal mistake to which we all are prone. Okay, ऐसा लगना कि मुझे आता है but actually में नहीं आना is a fatal mistake, and we all are likely to do it some or the other way. So we all live in an air of arrogance. अरे ये तो मेरे को आता है, ये तो बहुत सिंपल है. कितनी बार एग्जाम्स में ऐसा हुआ है ना, mostly in English language. You think you know everything, but yet when you sit and write on the paper and the marks arrive, you understand अरे यार नहीं आता, actually तो नहीं आता ना. हाँ, Yes, this happens. Okay, just imagine. No, just imagine. There's a surgeon. A surgeon who believes कि अरे मेरे को तो ये वाला सर्जरी कितना इजी है, मैंने यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देखा, मेरे को आता है अभी. Oh my God, you know. Correct. ऐसा कर सकते हैं जो वो सर्जन को मालूम, अरे मेरे को आता है, अरे कितना चिंदी है, चलो कर लेंगे. एंड ही एक्चुअली डजंट नो. हाँ, he does not know. And he operates a person. Just imagine the gravity of this, the seriousness of this. Okay, so thinking that you know, ऐसा सोचना कि अरे मेरे को मालूम है यार, when in fact you do not know, it is a fatal mistake, it is a deadly mistake. And we all in some or the other level are prone to do it, are likely to do it. Okay, moving on. I believe myself that hedgehogs eat black beetles because I have been told that they do. Okay, now what are hedgehogs? Hedgehogs are very small animals. Okay, now these are small animals. For example, when I tell you कि giraffe क्या खाता है? Giraffe grass खाता है. Am I correct? Giraffes, they eat grass. Am I correct? तुम लोग किसी ने देखा है जिराफ को ग्रास खाते हुए? ओके, नहीं देखा, किसी ने देखा है. ठीक है, ठीक है. वो लीव्स खाते हैं, बाय द वे. They eat leaves of trees. Yes, they do. Anyway, so now I have to write a book about these giraffes. Okay, पूरा encyclopedia जैसा book मैं लिखने वाली हूँ. Okay, now what should I do? मुझे confusion है कि अरे वो grass खाते हैं, वो leaves खाते हैं, या दोनों खाते हैं, मुझे नहीं मालूम, सच्ची में नहीं मालूम. अभी मैं क्या करूँ? What is the one thing that I should do? Observe. अरे क्या ask Google रे? Really, हर चीज में ask Google. I have to write a book myself. So I have to observe these giraffes in their natural habitat. And by observing, by simply observing whether they eat grass, they eat leaves, or they eat both, I can make an opinion, I can know a fact. Very clear with this? Similarly for the hedgehogs. Okay, so let's see. I believe myself that hedgehogs, they eat black beetles because I've been told that they do. मैं इसके लिए बिलीव करता हूँ क्योंकि बचपन से ऐसा पढ़ा है, बचपन से ऐसा सुना है. ओके, क्योंकि मुझे बताया गया है कि ऐसा ही होता है. But if I were writing a book on the habits of hedgehogs, I should not commit myself until I had seen one enjoy this unappetizing diet. Very clear with this? So, if I am writing a book and I have to include this piece of information there, what would I do? I would check it for myself. Okay, I would check it for myself and then I would include this. तो वो बोलते हैं कि मैं अपने आंखों से ये hedgehog को ये black beetle खाते हुए देखूंगा. Unappetizing is not very delicious diet. Okay, ये ऐसा खाना खाते हुए देखूंगा, तभी मैं commit कर पाऊंगा, तभी मैं उसको लिख पाऊंगा. Aristotle, however, was less cautious. Aristotle इतने cautious नहीं थे, इतने careful नहीं थे. उन्होंने तो अपना opinion बना दिया था पहले ही, and he did not care to check that opinion. Very clear with this? Unappetizing is not very delicious. Okay, जिसको देख के खाने का मन ना करे, उसको unappetizing बोलते हैं. Okay, guys, tell me if the second paragraph is very, very clear to you or not. Commit means to agree. Here it means कि commit मतलब करना, वो book में लिखना. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see the second para. Okay, now a third one. Sorry. Okay, now it tells you that हमेशा ये चीजें इतनी सिंपल होती है कि अरे मैंने देख लिया, नाउ आई कैन नो, अरे ये हो गया, आई कैन ऑब्जर्व इट माई सेल्फ। हमेशा ऐसा होता है? नो, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। व्हाई? बिकॉज ये बहुत सिंपल चीजें हो गई। दांत कितने हैं, ये क्या खाता है, वो क्या खाता है, ये बहुत ही सिंपल चीजें हो गई। नाउ व्हेन यू एक्चुअली गो इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ्स, वी डील विद अ वैरायटी ऑफ complex things, complicated things. Okay, now I'll give you a very simple example. Okay, have you seen, okay, Indian men, the uncles of your family, sitting together and talking about politics? Have you seen? Yeah, all the households, ये बहुत ही common typical चीज है. Okay, what are the highlights of that? कैसे बात करते हैं वो, कैसे बात करते हैं? Yeah, I don't want the name of politicians. I'm not going to comment on anything. Yeah, how's the ruler party ruling? Okay. Very simply, do they shout on each other? Are their voices very loud? Not loud in sense when they disagree. Okay, for the example, हमेशा नहीं, but देखो कभी भी when एक एक जन बीजेपी की तरफ है, दूसरी कांग्रेस की तरफ है, तीसरा कोई कोई और ही कुछ कर रहा है, and when these disagreeing people they come on stage, when they debate, do they do they tend to increase their voice? Do they? Most of the times, yes. Correct. Okay, forget about that. our national television shows, okay, अपने जो न्यूज आते हैं उसमें डिबेट्स होती है. आई डोंट वांट टू इवन स्टार्ट अबाउट हाउ रॉन्ग दैट इज. करेक्ट. सो इफ सम पर्सन डिसएग्रीज विद द अदर, ये लोग कुर्सी उठा के मारते हैं, ये लोग पता नहीं क्या क्या करते हैं, यू नो. हैव यू सीन दैट? या अरे क्या नेचुरली इट हैपेंस बेटा, नेचुरली ऐसा कुर्सी उठा के मारते थोड़ी है ना. या सो आई डोंट वांट टू नेम, बट आई एम श्योर यू नो कि मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ. करेक्ट. तो ये सब चिल्ला चिल्ला के अपने ओपिनियन देते हैं, कोई किसी का सुनता नहीं है. एंड आई can't sit through 5 minutes of that debate. Frankly, मैं कर ही नहीं सकती. ठीक है. या anyway, तो now the rule 2. ओके, अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ में से ऐसे एरर्स निकालने हैं तो रूल 2 बोलता है कि अगर आपका सबका ओपिनियन होता है, ठीक है. नाउ व्हेन यू हैव एन ओपिनियन ऑफ योर own and there is somebody else who does not agree with you, if this disagreement makes you uncomfortable or angry, it means there is something really very wrong with you. Very clear with this? If the other's disagreement makes you uncomfortable or wrong or angry, that means you have to check yourself. That means you have to introspect. Okay, I'll give you a very simple example. आजकल है ना, बहुत सारे लोगों को, I mean most of you, I can just make an assumption, you guys like this BTS army, that there is a Korean band, correct? हाँ, बहुत लोगों को पसंद है कि नहीं? यस नाउ फैंस चालू हो गए. ओके, जो भी है, नहीं पसंद है. ओके, मैंने आज तक उनका एक भी गाना नहीं सुना है. ठीक है. I have not listened to them ever at all. ठीक है. तो there are people, और मैं स्टूडेंट से ऐसा बात करती हूँ ना, तो वो लोग बोलते हैं, ओह मैम आपने BTS नहीं देखा, ओह नो आपने उसका सॉन्ग नहीं सुना. मैंने बोला नहीं यार, नहीं, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता, बकवास है. गलती से या बोल दिया, हाँ, नहीं पसंद है, बकवास है. ओह नो, गलत है ये, ऐसे कैसे बकवास लगा, बकवास थोड़ी लगना चाहिए. एक ओपिनियन ये होता है, दूसरा रिएक्शन होता है अरे मैम मैम का लॉस है इसमें, अभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हाँ हम कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? मैम को नहीं मालूम, नहीं अच्छा लगता तो वो उनका लॉस है, उन शी इज मिसिंग आउट ऑन वन हेल ऑफ एन आर्ट, सो इफ शी इज नॉट डूइंग इट इट्स हर लॉस। आप कुछ करने जाओगे, आप गुस्सा हो जाओगे क्या? Yeah, see, I have so many suggestions here. Ma'am, you should really listen to them. अरे बहुत अच्छा होता है। मैम सबकी अपनी अपनी चॉइस होती है, so chill. बहुत सारे लोगों का यही होता है। So when it makes you angry, there's something wrong about it. And most of you wouldn't get angry, correct? अभी मैं इंग्लिश हूँ और मैं इंग्लिश टीचर हूँ और मेरे को मैथ नहीं आता और जेन्युइनली नहीं आता, ठीक है? मैं बोलूँ 2 + 2 5 है, अभी बहुत stupid है, but just imagine 2 + 2 = 5. This is what I believe. What would you do? What would you do? Come on. I believe that 2 + 2 is 5. That's absurd. So somebody will correct me. I will correct you. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. And you would say, for the fact it is 4. आप लोग मेरे को करके दिखाओगे, demonstration दोगे, ऐसा बच्चे को करवाते हैं वैसा करवाओगे, ठीक है? And even if then I don't agree with you, आपने पूरा सिखाया फिर भी I do not agree. I am just not ready to agree that 2 + 2 is 4. What would you do? What would you do? I know that it's a universal fact. Leave it. आप स्पॉन्सर करोगे मेरे को मैथ ट्यूशन, भाई अरे टीचर को पैसा दो, उसको मैथ सीखना पड़ेगा, है ना? करेक्ट? आप गुस्सा हो जाओगे क्या? ओके स्कूल, अरे मैम को स्कूल में जाना चाहिए, अरे ये कर, यू लाफ इट ऑफ बिकॉज यू नो दैट यू आर राइट, यू हैव चेक्ड योरसेल्फ, ओके? तो मन में ये भी सोचोगे कि अरे ये मैम से ना इंग्लिश सीखने तक तो ठीक था, तब तक तो गाड़ी चल रही थी, मैथ के लिए इनके पास नहीं जाना चाहिए, करेक्ट? बट क्या आप सच्ची गुस्सा हो जाओगे कि नो? विल यू गेट एंग्री? विल यू शाउट if I do not understand? No. No. Correct? So this is what we are talking about. Dekho, why did you not shout at me when I told you that 2 + 2 is 5? क्योंकि आपको तो मालूम ही था कि 2 + 2 4 होता है, तो आपने मेरे पे बिलीव नहीं किया because you were very sure about the correctness of your opinion, or for the fact you were very sure of the correctness of the fact. You did not have to get angry on me, not just because I'm a teacher, not just. आपके कोई फ्रेंड अगर ऐसा बिलीव करे तो 2 + 2 is 5, आप थोड़ी गुस्सा हो जाओगे, आप बोलोगे कितना मंद इंसान है ये, करेक्ट? यस और नो? Same applies to your opinion about everything else. Okay, now very quickly let us start reading this para. Many matters, however, are less easily brought to the test of experience. Okay, it tells us बहुत सारे वैसे बहुत सारे ऐसे मैटर्स होते हैं जो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होते हैं एक्सपीरियंस करने में या ऑब्जर्व करने में. इट्स नॉट easy to observe everything, correct? It is not easy to experience everything. So, okay, if like most of mankind you have passionate convictions on many such matters, there are ways in which you can make yourself aware of your own bias. Okay, जैसे बहुत सारे लोग, most of the mankind, okay, most of the human race, you also have passionate, very strong, very dedicated convictions, mean beliefs, firm beliefs. Please note it down. Passionate, very intense. Okay. कन्विक्शंस आर फर्म बिलीव्स। तो आपके भी बहुत सारे पैशनेट बिलीफ है कि अरे नहीं ये ऐसा ही होता है, ये ऐसा ही होना चाहिए। ओके, सॉरी। Okay, on many such matters, there are ways in which you can make yourself aware about your own bias. आप आप खुद ही अपनी जो पार्शियलिटी होती है, bias is partiality. Okay, bias, we are generally very biased, we are partial towards our favorite things or favorite people. Okay, उन्होंने कुछ गलत भी किया होगा तो हम जल्दी से नहीं मान सकते, तो ये पार्शियलिटी हो गई। ठीक है, ओके, या सो अगर आपको भी ये पार्शियल है, आप भी कभी कभी पार्शियल हो जाते हो, तो यू कैन मेक योरसेल्फ अवेयर अबाउट दिस। ओके, नाउ rule 2, as I've written it here. What is rule 2? Rule 1 was simple observation. Rule 2 was, if an opinion which is contrary, opposite to your own makes you angry, that is a sign you are subconsciously aware of having no good reason for thinking as you do. Okay, let us understand. अगर कोई ऐसा ओपिनियन है जो आपसे अपोजिट है, कॉन्ट्ररी है, अपोजिट है, और ये जो ओपिनियन है ना आपको बहुत गुस्सा दिला रहा है। ओके, व्हेन पीपल टॉक अबाउट बीजेपी वर्सेस कांग्रेस, अरे नहीं ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, दिस इज रॉन्ग, दिस इज राइट, okay, they are angry on each other. Okay, that is a sign that you are subconsciously aware. आपको कहीं ना कहीं तो मालूम ही है। Okay, subconsciously aware is that you know of having no good reason, आपके पास कोई भी एक ढंग का रीजन नहीं है to think as you're thinking right now. Very clear with this? When you get angry, it means that you have no good reason to defend your thinking, no good reason for thinking what you're thinking, and you know that you're subconsciously aware of that. Okay, is this very, very clear to you guys? Do you have any sort of doubts here? Okay, also I hope that you are enjoying this. अच्छा, bias बेटा partiality होता है. Okay, bias is partiality. Very clear with this? Yeah. Okay, let's move ahead. If someone maintains that 2 and 2 are 5, or that Iceland is on the equator, you feel pity rather than anger. Very important, right? You feel pity for them. आपको दया आती है कि अरे बहुत sad है इनकी life, बहुत मंद है ये person, whatever. Okay. So when somebody believes like that, somebody believes that 2 plus 2 is 5, somebody believes that Mount Everest is not the highest peak in the world, and so. Okay. You feel pity, आपको दया आती है. Okay, you feel sympathy for them. Pity means sympathy rather than anger. आपको गुस्सा थोड़ी आता है. Okay, unless you know so little of arithmetic or geography that his opinion shakes your own contrary conviction. गुस्सा तभी आता है जब आपको ही arithmetic या ज्योग्राफी के बारे में इतना कम नॉलेज है और आपने कहीं कहीं से सुना है, चलो आइसलैंड इक्वेटर पे नहीं है ऐसा आपने सुना है, आपको कोई लॉजिक से मालूम नहीं है, ठीक है, एंड समबडी टेल्स यू अरे ऐसा नहीं होता, एंड यू बिलीव कि ऐसा होता है, तो आप गुस्सा तभी हो जाओगे जब आपको श्योरली नहीं पता। जब आपको श्योरली पता है ना, तब आप बोलोगे अरे जाने दो, इस मतलब क्या बात करूं मैं इसे, इसको कुछ मालूम ही तो नहीं है, व्हाई शुड आई टॉक, व्हाट शुड आई टॉक। Are you getting my point here? Yeah. So unless you know so little of arithmetic or geography that his opinion, सामने वाले का opinion, shakes your own. It shakes your own. Contrary. Contrary is opposite. Different. Conviction is belief. आपका belief उसको shake कर दिया. ठीक है? Okay, now moving on. The most savage controversies are those about matters as to which there is no good evidence either way. That is seriously very, very, very true. See, this is also different. Now, 2 plus 2 is 5. You have proof for that. आपने बोला ना क्या गूगल करके दिखाएंगे वो क्या मैथ का कोई सम सॉल्व करवाएंगे, आप प्रूफ कर सकते हो कि 2 plus 2 is not 5. Okay, but the most savage is uncivilized. Please note it down. The most savage, the most uncivilized controversy झगड़ा, okay, fight तभी होती है जब भी एक चीज का करेक्ट आंसर होता ही नहीं है. ओके, ओपिनियंस होते हैं सिर्फ, करेक्ट आंसर थोड़ी होता है हर चीज का. व्हेन इट कम्स टू पॉलिटिक्स, दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ, क्या बोलते हैं, shouting here and there. Why? Because there is no correct answer. People believe what they believe. Am I correct or not? सही आंसर कोई नहीं है कौन सी पार्टी अच्छी है. फॉर मी बोथ ऑफ देम आर वेरी बैड. आगे समझा? Now, savage is uncivilized. Savage meaning uncivilized. Okay. Okay, the most savage controversies are those about matters as to which there is no good evidence either way. कोई भी इधर उधर एविडेंस है ही नहीं, आपके पास कोई प्रूफ नहीं है. Very clear with this? Okay. So whenever you find yourself getting angry about a difference of opinion, be on your guard. जब भी आपको ऐसा लगे कि सामने वाले का disagreement, okay, और सामने वाले का different opinion is making you angry, please be on your guard. Please check yourself. It is really very important. अगर आपको सामने वाले का पर्सन का कुछ भी उन्होंने बोला वो एंग्री कर रहा है, if it is making you angry, please check yourself. Please be on your guard. Okay, you will probably find on examination that your belief is going beyond what the evidence warrants. The really very great lines. Okay, जब भी आप इंस्पेक्शन करोगे, जब भी आप एग्जामिनेशन करोगे, तो आपको ये रियलाइज होगा कि बहुत सारी बार होता सच इतना होता है और आप उसको बढ़ा चढ़ा के ले रहे हो. you're getting personal about it. Correct? We see so many arguments about celebrities and अरे नहीं ये ऐसा नहीं होता. Now आपको भी मालूम है the particular celebrity that you're defending may be a very good actor, singer, whatever, but you also do not know the fact कि वो particular celebrity actually कैसा है. क्योंकि आपको भी पता है कि social media पे एक face होता है, जरूरी नहीं है कि वो इंसान भी actually वैसा ही इतना अच्छा हो जितना वो दिखा सकता है कि वो अच्छा है. Are you getting my point? Yeah. So when you fight about it and when you get angry, it shows that आपको ही अंदर से इतना belief नहीं है कि ये person इतना अच्छा है actually. आपको नहीं पता होता ना. That is why you get into argument. You get अरे नहीं यही अच्छा actor है, ये थोड़ी है, he is my favorite one, whatever. Okay. So ऑन एग्जामिनेशन योर बिलीफ इज गोइंग, आपको बिलीफ जो है वो ट्रुथ के ऊपर जा रहा है, इज गोइंग बियॉन्ड व्हाट द एविडेंस वारंट्स, एविडेंट वॉर एविडेंस प्रूफ, वो इसकी गारंटी देता है और आपका बिलीफ उससे आगे जा रहा है. वेरी क्लियर विद दिस? ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ्स यू आर गोइंग टू सी सॉल्यूशंस. ये थोड़े रूल्स है जो आपको फॉलो करने हैं. ठीक है, दो रूल्स है. पहले तो ऑब्जर्व करना है, दूसरा अगर आपको कोई चीज एंग्री कर रही है तो आपको इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करना है. मूविंग ऑन, ना व्हाट आर द सॉल्यूशंस? हाउ कैन यू बी अ वेरी ओपन, a very non-judgmental person? Okay, how can you be, how can you not believe in foolish ideas and opinions? Okay, now there are solutions to it. A good way of ridding yourself of certain kinds of dogmatism is to become aware of opinions held in social circles different from your own. Okay, dogmatism, let's focus on this word, very important. Dogmatism is insisting on the truth of one's opinion without evidence. So when some people believe, okay, that they are right, whatever they tell is right, and कोई भी उसके आगे कुछ भी बोले वो इनवैलिड है, वो करेक्ट हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज वो जो बोल रहा है वही सही है always, even without listening to the person who's saying something is a dogmatic person. Very clear with this? So dogma और dogmatism, इसका मतलब होता है कि खुद खुद एक सच बिलीव करते हो, खुद एक ओपिनियन में बिलीव करते हो, और उसी उसके सिवाय आपको कुछ करेक्ट लगता ही नहीं, आप सुनने को भी रेडी नहीं हो. ठीक है, दैट इज रॉन्ग. So if you want to get rid of yourself of certain kinds of dogmatism, we are all dogmatic somewhere. Okay, हम believe करते हैं अरे नहीं ये सच नहीं हो सकता, ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, you know, this should happen like this should not happen like this. There are so many controversies, you know, in today's world. मतलब सोशल मीडिया पे तो अलग ही सब कुछ चालू होता है, frankly. Okay, so if you are a person who believes that अरे विराट कोहली को पैटर्निटी लीव नहीं लेना चाहिए था, कोई बोलता है लेना चाहिए था, whatever, so you have this dogma. Okay, you believe in something and you don't know, you are not ready to listen to the other side of that. Okay, so you have to become aware. The solution number one to this is that you have to become aware of the opinions that are held in social circles different from your own. A lot of times it so happens that you you hang out with people of your own community. स्कूल में वही दोस्त होते हैं, फैमिली भी वही होती है, तो अगर बहुत ही इतना सिमिलर में जा रहा है ना बेटा, तो आपको भी कहीं कहीं पे नहीं पता चलेगा. Okay, but if you hang out with people of different communities, social circles, religions, I definitely and do really promote that, आपको बहुत सारी नई चीजें मालूम होगी. Okay, yeah, you will get to know that थोड़े थोड़े social circles में it is okay. आपके सोशल सर्कल में, आपकी फैमिली में, आपके फ्रेंड्स में आप जो भी बोल दो, ठीक है, ये सारी चीजें नॉट अलाउड है. ठीक है, बट बाहर जाके वही चीज आप देखोगे एंड पीपल आर रियली डूइंग इट एंड whatever that is. There are still communities even in today's age that won't let the girl wear black, not a thread of black on her body. Just imagine it. आज भी ऐसी communities है. तो आप जरा बाहर जाके दुनिया अगर देखोगे तो आपको समझेगा कि इट इज ओके, ये सारी फालतू चीजों से हमें ऊपर उठना है. वेरी क्लियर. बहुत सारी ऐसी कम्युनिटीज मैंने देखी है जिसमें आज भी अरेंज मैरिज के अलावा कोई भी अदर वे में मैरिज करना, सो लव मैरिज करना इज अ क्राइम एज गुड एज किलिंग समवन. करेक्ट. सो ऑनर किलिंग हो रहा है अपने देश में कितने सारे. Correct. So when you go out and when you look at the world and at what rate it is progressing, we understand that अपनी छोटी दुनिया में रह के कोई फायदा नहीं है. ठीक है. So let us understand. When I was young, I lived much outside my own country in France, Germany, Italy, and the United States. I found this very profitable in diminishing the intensity of my insular prejudice. Okay, understand this. ये जो इंसान है उन्होंने बहुत ट्रैवल किया था. उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट ईयर्स होते हैं वो बहुत ही अलग अलग कंट्रीज में उन्होंने स्पेंड किए. And because of this he got to know about different cultures, different religions, and what kind of people are there actually. So France, Germany, Italy, and the United States. Now he says that ये जो सारा उन्होंने years बाहर की देशों में स्पेंड किया उनसे उनको बहुत बड़ा फायदा हुआ. Okay, it was very profitable in diminishing. Diminishing is a lessening, कम करना, decreasing the intensity of insular prejudice. वो बोल रहे पूरी तरीके से नहीं गया, but वो जो intensity होती है ना, आप कोई believe करते हो वो बहुत ही intense होता है, तो ये intensity कम करने में उनकी help की. Okay, now let us understand the meaning of insular prejudice. Okay, prejudice, it means an opinion. Okay, so that is something that you are prejudiced about, you're partial about. Okay, एक stereotype मन में लेके चलना. ठीक है. So if you believe that men are not supposed to cook, women should cook, because Indian society में ऐसा बहुत देखा है. अपने आगे वाले जनरेशन में तो यही था. You see your parental generation, they have grown up understanding, most of them at least, correct, that women are supposed to cook and clean, whereas men are supposed to be the breadwinner of the family. Am I correct? Guys, please let me finish this much, whatever I'm explaining, and then we can stop. Okay? Yeah. So prejudice meaning a belief that you are believing in without any proof. Okay? Something that you are partial towards. Okay, yeah. तो ये insular prejudice, and insular meaning ऐसा prejudice जो because you are living in a particular country or a particular community, that is why insular. Okay, okay. Insular is disinterested in ideas from foreign countries. A lot of people still believe that Western culture बहुत खराब है, बच्चों को बिगाड़ रहा है, whatever. When you actually go live in a Western country, look at their values, you will understand that actually जो हम लोग believe कर रहे हैं about Western culture वो सही है या नहीं. Okay, is this very clear to you? So we have seen till solution 1. Okay, and we will stop here. But do you have difficulty in any of the things that we have discussed today? Are you sure, guys? Any doubts here? Okay. Okay, it is a humble request to everyone, guys. Please read whatever we have studied today. Please just go through it once. The text is a little bit difficult to understand. So before we begin the next time's lecture, I want you guys to be prepared to have just read it once. All right, it's almost 1 page. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much everyone for such a patient hearing. Thank you really. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care and stay safe.